Bring your right hand up. Say blue ocean strategy. Red ocean strategy. Red ocean strategy is where there is one market and people are killing each other. People are killing each other in the market. That's called red ocean. Right? That's called. But there is always all the blood spilled out around here. Killing each other. And then there is something called blue ocean. That is, you create your own ocean and where there is no competitor and the competitor becomes irrelevant. Competitor becomes irrelevant. You find out uncontested market space. They were all standing in the uncontested market space. They didn't want it to come on specific areas of market space where people are killing each other. Can I give you an example? Flipkart. Flipkart did a blue ocean strategy. Right? Can I give you another example? Redbus.com has become very successful in South. Blue ocean had two things. Please say unique and value. Uniqueness and value, when both the things are there, that makes it blue ocean. When you are only unique and you don't create value, it doesn't work. When it becomes very expensive. When you create a lot of value, but there is no uniqueness, then you are still in red ocean because you're killing each other by creating more value. Blue ocean strategy is one strategy where there is no competition, you are the competition. I'll repeat that. There is no competition, you are the competition. Okay, Microsoft. Can you give me more examples? IPL. IPL, okay. Of course, IPL is a blue ocean. Agro engine, okay. Fantastic. Can we acknowledge the gentleman, please, for Agro engine? Can we acknowledge him, please? You have to find out your own unique strength. Instead, start killing the other competitors by killing them. Find out your own signature strength. Can I give you a golden statement? Would you like to hear that? Yes, no? Yes. Very good. The golden statement is, if you try to be the best, you will be number one. If you try to remain unique, you will be the only one. If you try to be the best, you will be number one. If you try to remain unique, you will be the only one. If you're unique, you're unbeatable. Nobody can beat you. Can you give me an example? Apple. Why Apple is doing so well? Can I tell you the sales team? Can I tell you something? Apple is giving great consumer experience. But to give a great consumer experience, what is required? I want you to give me a right answer. What is required for great consumer experience? Will good product create an impact in market? Say yes, no. No. It's not the good product that will create impact. It is the right product that will create impact. Yes, no? Yes. You need to understand the need of the market. For Apple to become great in giving consumer experience, Steve Jobs used to always say, ये जो LCD बन के आया है ना, make it so bright and beautiful to look that people start licking the icons on the Apple iPhone. It should look so beautiful. He's always working on giving great consumer experience. But to get that customer delight, you need to understand the need of the market. What is market needing right now? बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं, आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी है. Necessity is the mother of all inventions. Yes, no? Yes. We don't know what is necessity. What is requirement? You want to give great impact for your boss? You want your bosses to have great impact about you in their life? It will happen right away. Just understand what is their need. Understand क्या चाहते क्या है वो, उनको चाहिए क्या. जिस दिन वो समझ आ गया, आप ब्लू ओशन क्रिएट कर लेंगे. ब्लू ओशन क्रिएट ना कर पाने का कारण क्या है? We are killing each other. Look at the balloons. So much of killing took place. Why? Because we were competing and fighting amongst each other. Create an uncontested market space where nobody is against your competition. I'm giving you a leadership wisdom right now. We're not discussing on some jokes. We're discussing on very deep leadership wisdom. Say feature, benefit. Feature, benefit. That's where I wanted to bring you, my dear service team and sales team. You don't have to speak about the features of the pen. You have to speak about the benefits of the pen. Never say ये बड़ा अच्छा पेन है. आप बोलेंगे ये, जैसा इन्होंने बोला, आपकी पर्सनालिटी को बहुत खूब भाएगा, आपकी पर्सनालिटी को 4 चांद लगा देगा साहब. That's a benefit. फीचर क्या है? बोले बहुत अच्छा लिखता है. राइट? बेनिफिट क्या? आपकी हैंडराइटिंग खूबसूरत हो जाएगी. फीचर क्या है? ये बड़ा यहां से होल्ड करने में इजी है। बेनिफिट क्या है? यू विल ऑलवेज फील कंफर्ट। फीचर क्या है? बोला बहुत लंबा लिखता है। बेनिफिट क्या है? यू विल सेव मनी। बेनिफिट क्या है? यू विल सेव मनी। फीचर इन्होंने बताया कि ये बहुत तेज लिखता है। बेनिफिट क्या है? यू विल सेव टाइम। यू विल सेव टाइम। फोकस। कैन यू क्विकली फोकस? टीएमटीएल के प्रोडक्ट्स के मार्केट में बेनिफिट क्या है? Don't talk about feature. People don't want to buy your feature. They want to buy benefits that they're getting in their lives. Yes, no? Yes. Convert the features into benefits. Talk about your unique signature strength that will generate fuel up your sales. But what you've been working on is fighting against your competitor. Competitor के पास ये है, मेरे पास. Competitor, don't fight against competitor. You're bleeding each other. Why yellow one survived at the back? Because they had created their uncontested market space. Nobody was fighting there against them. Therefore, they were relaxing. This is called shifting from red ocean into a blue ocean, creating your own ocean, creating your own market space where there is nobody who's fighting against you. It works very well. The top leadership strategies are made on these principles. More you start fighting against each other's share, you will increase your share by 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, that's all. But more you start focusing on your unique strength, you become the market leader. Nobody is there to compete against you. What is that unique thing which can create value? Not only unique, that's innovation. It should create value. You know why Tata Nano never did well? Why Tata Nano never did well? It was unique, but it never created a value. People thought it is creating value. It devalued the aspirations of customer by calling it a Lakh Takiya car. And that Lakh Takiya car, one thing had gone against them. Nobody wanted to buy that. बोला ऑल्टो खरीद लो, बाइक चला लो, लख टकिया नहीं बनना मुझे, इतना बेइज्जती मैं नहीं सह पाऊंगा. People felt insulted about buying a Tata Nano. Major colossal loss Tata Group had to actually go through by working in the automobile industry for Tata Nano. If you try to be the best, you will be number one. If you try to remain unique, you will be the only one.